make chim chim. This is how you make chim chim. This is how you make chim chim. This. Welcome to Us.Easy Chin family. So you guys, today I'm gonna be making chim chim with Shane, Skyra, and my dad. And also, guys, Merry Christmas. So the first things first, I'm gonna be putting in some flour.
What are you making today?
Some chim chim.
Good job.
It's really a good flour. I'm gonna put some flour. Shane, put the bowl down.
Shane,
Shane, you want to drink the carrot soup now?
It's okay, wait, it's okay. Wait.
Put it off.
No, it's okay.
Put it off. Yeah, now let's put in some yeast.
Put the...
Meat. But don't put too much.
We're going to be putting in 1 scoop.
Don't put too much.
Let's take this out the way.
Look at what somebody made a naughty face. A happy face. I want to put another.
No. Fine. No, Shane. Shane second.
Do it, Papa.
Where's the lid?
Go, Papa, do it.
I thought I lost it. What are you waiting for?
Good job.
I want to try. Let me
Sky,
try
you're going to be...
Let's take this out.
muscles. I want to mix. We're going to mix? Okay.
Now, Sky, you're going to be putting
Yes, sugar. Yes.
The
Okay.
Yo, is this going to be a container for it?
Yes.
I'm just going to be putting not that much, okay?
Okay.
Sarah, let's see. Show the camera.
I'll put inside.
Okay, that's... I don't think that's the camera. Now, me, I'm going to be putting in some... Sky, can
Put
you
the
go
sugar,
get...
Chanel. Go ahead.
Can you go get the rack to wipe this place, please?
Yes, go ahead. This.
Always needs a little bit of salt.
Chanel, measure it. No,
Alright,
measure it with this. I think you can use this one. Don't use that, it's too much.
1, 3, okay, 2, so 3 more to go.
This smells good.
Hi, Shani.
Press
It's
first.
not New Year today. Hallelujah.
That's, no, Shane, don't eat sugar.
Good job,
Sugar is not
Chanel.
healthy.
Yeah, sugar is not healthy to do.
Good job.
Thank you.
This is. You know it's not. It is bad for your health.
I think we
Yeah,
can
it's
mix
very
it.
bad.
Maybe let's mix it.
No,
Sky, but they put these in the sink.
I want to try.
Shane.
This is not off. I want to smell it.
So you guys, I'm going to be putting in some evaporated milk.
Yes,
You
guys.
said only a little bit, Susie.
No, guys, don't fight, Skyra.
You said a little bit. That's so why not? Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. No. Okay, no. I won't.
Guys, I'm going to be putting in some salt. Just a pinch of salt, guys.
This is optional, guys.
Skyra, go ahead. Papa, they can do
Papa,
it.
it's okay.
Everyone out there.
Yes, Papa, you
Everybody's
can.
gonna do it.
You can do it, Papa.
You know, good collaboration, no?
That's it.
Good job, Sky. What's your turn? I have a job for you. Put this in the sink.
Thank you, correct.
Good job, Papa.
Okay, everyone can
Yeah,
eat
let's
your
go.
eggs.
Let's go.
And
Let's go. Give me. So,
I think it's gonna spread around.
yeah, but hold on. That's what I don't want Shane to do it. Don't put it on it, Shane.
Oh, that's smart. So it doesn't like spoil all of the place.
Okay. Papa, wait. No, we have to go slowly first. Okay?
One,
They already told me. So I don't know.
You guys are gonna play the game just what you like to, right? Okay, let's do it. I washed my hands already.
Yeah, you can mix. Perfecto.
He sucked. That's why he don't want to play. He did it.
Papa, remove your head from there. Stop that.
1, 2, 3. That's alright. Let's see, Daddy. Let's follow this. It is. No. No! Let me your back. Okay. The other one. But Daddy, you made it hard. I don't think if you do it next time. I'm gonna copy Daddy with his moves. I'm gonna make the same two next time. And those ones are gonna be mine. So 1, 2, 3. Take them on! What was it? God. It's so much right now. Shane, do you need this? I don't know what you're gonna do right now. Look at what made Chin Chin look like. And you have to really make your own Chin Chin. That's how Chin Chin look like. No. Wait, not now. I'm not done. Now I'm gonna start. What's this? Let's do this. Yeah, he does. Yeah, I made a small little heart. But it's not gonna be yeah. I don't think you know how to. Okay, that's good. Gina, I haven't seen your Chin Chin how your moves are. It's not supposed to be one. It has to be. No. You're taking my own. I cheated my own. Hey, Susie's? Yes. No, Susie, is this yours? No. Then why is Jane saying it's? No, not. Yes, it is. It's not skinny. It's just like a real one. Don't say that. Mine is so skinny.
Share Susanna. Let's share Papa. Let's share my beautiful sky.
Why do you have to call Sky beautiful but not me?
Let's share my beautiful Chanel.
That's bad.
Yeah, because you are beautiful.
When she said Skyra, she said beautiful. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, 32. Oh, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Oops. Guys, it's frying time.
Yeah, let's open it. I want the kitchen to flow.
Yeah, go.
More. Yeah, that's enough, right?
Yeah.
So guys, once you put in a little bit of this spoon, once you put it inside and you see this bubble, you just have to know that the oil is ready. Take it out, and you have to make sure that you fry it on a very low heat. My hands have been washed properly.
We have to make a family, okay? And this is
Alright guys, I'm gonna cook it on a very low heat. Once it's brown, then I'm gonna switch it up, turn it again, and take it out. I'll show you guys how it looks like. But for now, that's how it has to look like.
what? You have this. You have this already. You have this already. No, this is okay. See this comment hit.
Yeah, take it out, take it out.
Everything. I'm not trying.
What are you doing, Papa?